The transition plan was a way for both the admin team and our staff, as well as our whole community, could understand roles and responsibilities. So as we lost some of our key members of our admin team, the first thought was, will we do a national search? And the thought was, we have such a unique culture at STEM, where how we function, how we relate to each other. It's a high trust team. And to bring someone new, it would take so much time to bring them up to speed that it was decided it would be best to distribute the responsibilities within our current team and then to grow new leadership. And so we were very excited in this transition plan how many people are new to the role, some coming out of the classroom, and that of course gives space for others to move into those positions. Long ago, STEM moved away from job titles to a card sort, so we understood what is each person's passion and skill, and to make sure we align those. And so we have roles and responsibilities that define what each person does. No one could predict what happened last March, and when it happened, everything changed for the entire globe. Everyone was overworked before then, and then suddenly we had this massive amount of new responsibilities. And so how that played out shifted so much work, and we had to rethink because there are only so many hours in a day. And so with that process, we did another card sort to decide where could we best align what each person did to their skill set. So how the card sort happens, we all realized we were doing far too many tasks. And so we decided to quantify it, and this was a process we involved our entire staff to help us with those cards, develop, well, what is it that each person does, and to quantify that with a card. And when we looked at it, we filled tables of cards because there were so many tasks to be done. What could we give up? What were non-negotiables, and what did someone have to take responsibility for? And so basically that's the card sort. And in that card sort, we realized job descriptions that aligned with certain groups of cards. And so the transition plan worked with those alignments to find who would take care of that group of cards. And that is how the transition plan emerged, to put names to groups of responsibilities. Our strategic plan for the school has 5 pillars, and they all rely on a very strong flagship school. A flagship school is our model that all of our replication schools will want to emulate. And to have a strong transition plan, make sure that we set up our flagship to have all the key leaders in the right place, doing the things that most support our faculty, and why we're really here is our students. Once everything is in place as best it can be, then we can truly call ourselves a flagship school. One of the exciting parts of the transition plan are the new names in it. It's always exciting to have new leadership in the team, to see young leaders grow and what can happen in this new mix.